I can smell it a little
Yeah,
bit.
you can smell
Oh yeah,
it
you can smell the maple.
once it gets close.
So what's the process here?
Well, the process is it comes out of the tree bags. You can see the blue bags. And then it goes into the big boiler. And then we boil it down to a certain point. And then once we get this is like a finished boil. We get it in here because you can test it easier. And then you have more control because it's a gas heat versus wood. So the gas heat gives you the chance to really control the heat and be able to get it off the heat quickly. Because what goes from here then, and what Susie's doing in the house now, she's boiling all the bottles and stuff. And then we'll pour it from here through a filter, and it'll go into the bottles, and you enjoy it. Start eating pancakes and French toast, and